watch our videos, you know, from time to time we'll get a late model vehicle in because we do take trade-ins. Here we have a 2021 Ram 2500 Tradesman Crew Cab pickup. 6.4 liter Hemi underneath the hood, 8-speed automatic transmission in diamond black crystal pearl. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Take a look at the grille. Obviously has a suspension lift. Looks like Bilstein shocks, springs. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, modern equipment on this one. As you can see, paint shows well on the hood as well as up and down the passenger side of this vehicle. Mayhem wheels, Warrior Black. Tell you a little bit about the equipment on this truck. It does have the customer preferred package 2GA, as well as the Tradesman level 2 equipment group. So we take a look down the passenger side. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles just a little over 49,000 on this one. You can see it has the roll-up tonneau cover, so a soft tonneau cover on it. And I left that rolled up because I wanted to show you spray and bed liner. So box, it doesn't even hardly look like it's been used. Very nice shape. This truck is also going to have the shift on the fly transfer case, 410 rear gears with the anti-spin rear axle, Uconnect 4 with an 8.4 inch display. I'll also take a picture of the window sticker, copy of the window sticker, so you can see that on our website to know exactly how this truck was equipped. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Drives out quite nice. Cloth interior, split bench seat up front, and as you can see, power lighted running boards. We'll start it up, let you hear it run too, and take a peek underneath the hood. This newer truck with this kind of miles on it, nothing to hide on this one, folks. And again, clean Carfax. Actual miles. No accidents indicated. Speaking of miles, there's your exact miles, 49,840. Of course, push button start. And your modern amenities that you're going to have: power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, power mirrors, of course, steering wheel controls. This one also, there's your push button on the fly. Trailer brake setup. There's a Uconnect 4. Top of the dash all looks good. As you can see, key fob. Take a little closer look at those boards. Very handy. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust goes. Nothing over the top there. It's a nice looking truck. Let me pause this a second. I'll get this hood open quick. We'll check out that engine bay. There's the hood pop. Take a look at that hood liner. This truck doesn't look like it's been driven in inclement weather at all. Look how clean and tidy this engine bay is. Again, 6.4 liter Hemi. Obviously what you'd expect underneath there with this newer truck and that kind of miles. There you go, 2021 Ram 2500 Tradesman Crew Cab 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2021 Ram 2500 pickup truck. 4x4 capable. All the modern amenities. Comfortable bucket seats with center storage console. Fold-up seat as well. Plenty of power coming from that engine. Strong running truck. Like new. 49,838 miles showing on the odometer. Excellent stereo system in this truck. 4-door cab, room for the whole family. Nice looking oversized tires on this truck. All our gauges are working beautifully. What is there to say about a truck that's like new? If you've been looking for one, this is a really nice one with some beautiful looking big tires on it. Sounds good. Comfortable. Corners nicely. Not feeling hardly any lean in the corner. It is, of course, an automatic with a dial right down here on the dash. Super easy to drive. Very comfortable, ready for work, ready for road trips, ready for shows. It's in such good condition. Learn more about this truck and take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.